What?
What's going on?
Hello guys, so today I'm going to Ieper because tomorrow is his birthday and we are gonna celebrate it, his 8th birthday, and yeah, we're gonna eat pizzas there and eat some delicious food. And now we are going to. So we arrived at the place. There is the pizza ocean. This is a fountain. So this is a crane where you wash your hands and where you wash your hands cleanly. And I'm gonna go and watch. It's warm water. If you know where this place is, drop it in the comments. And if you know how this is made, drop it in the comment too. gonna explore more of the beautiful places here. We are finished in the walk. Now we are going to our car and going to home. And yeah, so that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed, and please like and subscribe and share this video with everybody you know. Now we are almost in the car and we are going to home. That means we are finished. We are in the car. Yes. And we are now going to home. Okay. So bye guys. Bye.